Happy Memorial Day, you guys. I hope your weekend is going fabulously and your Memorial Day is a barbecue of fun. I feel like this is the weekend where it is our summer kickoff and everybody is ready to have some fun in the sun and just get the party started. I actually did because I found some really great stuff at Ulta that I want to show you. So stay with me and I will show you all the treats that I found. Before I get started and show you all the goods, if you're new here, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell. Now, let me show you what I found. This weekend I was in Ulta and they launched something on Sunday that I think they have hit out of the park. I haven't even opened them and I'm so excited. So they have these 3 bags. They're $20 each. This one is Jet Setter. And on top they have I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it has all kinds of Paris and little stamps and travel decor. Super, super cute. This one's called Beach Chic. And it has beach umbrellas up on the top there. And it is in the gold bag, super cute. This one, Tropical Trends. It is blue and it has the watermelon slices, lime trees, just very tropical, and it is super cute. They all have something just a little bit different. I haven't even looked inside. I've just only read the back, so you guys are gonna be seeing my first thoughts, literally when I open these. So I'm so, I can't even tell you how excited I am about this. They're so adorable. This one here, I'm gonna go over this one first. This is the Jet Setter. And inside, it has a facial mist, lip oil, eyeshadow palette, blotting papers, sleep mask, and of course the cosmetic bag. Let me show you the products individually. So in the bag, first of all, I love that the bag has no writing on it. You know, all these brands, I love that they give you stuff, but then they're loaded with the brand on there. I kind of like that this doesn't have anything. It's all just one, it's just this pretty purple. Has a gold zipper. And then inside, it has these products that I was talking about. So this is the facial mist. It's called In-Flight Service, adorable name. And it has a scent of lavender, and it's just a hydrating mist. The names that they did on these are so cute. This one's called Precious Cargo, and it's a lip oil. Again, anybody that's traveled, you get chapped lips too. Just everything, you just dehydrate, you're lacking that hydration. So these are all items that are going to address that, which is brilliant. So there's the lip oil. Then look at this. It says Passport to Adventure. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And inside are 6 shadows. Now, a couple weeks ago, I did a video on Ulta Beauty and their products. And I was really impressed with the shadows. They were decent shadows and something that I would honestly use. So to see that they have this little pack and the packaging is adorable, super cute. Next, we have ready for takeoff blotting papers. I'm dying with this packaging. It's so adorable. So you just lift up, blotting papers are inside. Cute. Lastly, you have this blue satin eye mask. For those annoying people that turn their lights on when you're on a flight that's nice and dark and you want to get some Z's, this is for you. So there is the first pack. Again, did I say $20 for all of this? It's just adorable. I bought it. Hello. I love it. So there is that. Then we're gonna go to the next pack, and this one is called the Beach Chic. And it's really cute because they all have something a little different too. In the Beach Chic, we have a bronzer, blush duo palette, eyeshadow palette, lip gloss, hair scrunchies, and the cosmetic bag. Here you have the matte bronzer. Oh my gosh, it says Beach Vibes on it. Super cute. Then you have It's 5 O'Clock Somewhere blush palette. It looks like a flat pink color and then a bronze. It says sangria. So adorable. I can't get over Ulta. You've outdone yourself. There's little drinks on the front of the palette there. So adorable. Then we have the eyeshadow palette. It's called Beach Chic. Again, there's 6 shadows and the umbrellas are on the front, and then you have mattes and shimmers inside. And again, really pretty colors. These are more neutral. And you have a lip gloss. It's called Boardwalk Babe. And then you have scrunchies. I mean, oh my goodness. That is the Beach Chic set. And then I have one last one that I want to show you. And I'm kind of going through these quickly because I don't want to take like a ton of time. And I'm not swatching them because I'm going to tell you why at the end. So our tropical treats, it has an eyeshadow palette, blush, pH lip balm, body lotion, drink cozy, and a cosmetic bag. This is called Bodega Bay. Super fun colors. Look at that. I think this is my favorite shadow palette so far. Then we have the blush, and this is Paradise Found. They really did such a cute job. There's a little pineapple. Like, they went into detail. This is super cute. Then we have the lip balm, and it's called Freshly Squeezed. It's got little lemons all over it, lemon slices. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So I bet it just gives like a sheer color. Just balmy, so cute. A body lotion, which is called Colada Fresca. It's got the watermelon and it looks like coconut slices on it. And a drink cozy with a pineapple. I love every single one of them differently. Can I say that? Like, it's so true though. They're all so cute. Why I'm not swatching? Well, the reason is these are great gifts. I mean, you guys, this is wedding time. It's graduation time. Birthdays. How many summer birthdays? I mean, oh my gosh, May, I feel like there's been someone that I know almost every day having a birthday. These are fabulous gifts. I have a bonus even on top of this. So these were $20 each, and you get everything inside the bag. It comes in that cute little pack that's already packaged. Then from now until it's June 1st, you get a tote for free for buying any Ulta Beauty collection item of $19.50 or more, which this falls in that because it's $20. So you can buy Ulta product, but if you want to give like the cutest gift ever, you buy one of these, and then look at what I got. So I gotta hold it up high because I don't have a lot of space here, but look at how cute this tote is. It says On Island Time, and you actually have an option of this one or this one. It's like so cute, everything. And again, doesn't say Ulta all over it. Doesn't even say it anywhere, honestly. So that's a plus in my book. You know, I don't really go shopping for totes normally, but when you can get them for free, I use them at the beach, at the pool, on vacation. Like, they're super cute. So you have the option of either one of those. And inside the tote, you get a matte bronzer. And again, it has like leaves on it. It's not flat. It's super cute. And you get this lip plumping, transforming top coat. Perfect to go over anything. And it's kind of like just a shimmery, pretty color. So these two things come in each tote. So for $20, you're getting one of these bags filled with all of the items inside, plus a bronzer, a plumping top coat, and a tote. That's a deal, my friend. That is a deal. And when I got it, I thought, oh my gosh, I've got to put this video out because you guys need to get it. Like, you could get it for yourself, which, hello, I bought 3, so I might keep one for myself, but I am thinking gifts. You can get it for yourself. If you're having a wedding and you need bridesmaid gifts, I would be excited to get it as a bridesmaid gift. If I got this little pack of cosmetics plus a tote and fun stuff, I would be super, super excited. So great gift ideas, great deals. If you just want to buy it for yourself, it's a great deal. And I just had to share all about it because I'm excited about it. Like I can't say enough. It's a great deal and it's super, super cute. You guys go out, you need to go get one. And when you get it, come back to this episode and comment which one you ended up getting. Because I'm telling you, I hope I've done them justice online, but they are adorable and a great price. You realize that's 4 trips to Starbucks and you have all this product. Just saying. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your week. I will see you in a couple days. Take care. Bye-bye.